Hi everyone, it's Heidi, and I thought I would just get back to some of the basic oils that we've used and not get so complicated with all the blends and stuff. So I want to highlight lemon oil. This is such a good oil. It just smells so good. It's so refreshing and everything. It has a very uplifting aroma. It's very good for mental type things. It helps to reduce stress when you inhale it. You think about smelling lemons and you're like, oh. It also promotes clarity and thought and purpose in your life. So if you're having trouble with that, you might want to just put some on your chest maybe or on your wrists. The interesting thing is, pay attention to these names. These are the blends that lemon oil is in. Clarity, awaken, forgiveness, surrender, and transformation. So that gives you a little bit of an idea of what this oil is in and what it can be used for. All right, and you can also use Vitality oil, the white label, in your water. Put the drop in a glass cup, or a few drops, and then put the water over it. Mixes it in really nicely. Tastes really good. I think it tastes better than putting lemon oil or lemon juice in your water. It just has a nicer taste to it. You can also put lemon oil on your temples, and then that will help you with clarity, mental thinking if you have a test, or if you just have to, if you're playing a game with your family and you want to win. You can put lemon oil on, that kind of thing. Put it in a roller bottle. So put it in the bottle and have one of those roller tops on it, and then you can roll it on, maybe put a carrier oil with it. And you can also diffuse this oil. This is really good for maybe if your kids are doing their homework, or if you just need to think, or if you just want to feel good, feel happy and more focused and that kind of thing. So those are just some simple tips about lemon oil I thought I would share with you. Take care, and we'll see you next time.